The youngest, the director of development and the history of the company, the only black person time in the company. For Helena Etchegoyen, who did Love Jones. So she was there. It was like me and Helena.
I was working on Love Jones too.
Oh!
But we couldn't get funding.
Oh!
There you go.
She's the next open
Great
right
example.
here.
But
Go
yeah,
ahead.
so you
Yes.
know, just some wonderful projects, and I worked in film and TV for about 10 years. I started out really young. Like I started at 18. I was one of the youngest people everywhere I went. But then I realized I was like, you know, I want to do some more. Like I want to give back. I want to see the world. I want to do a lot more with my talent. So I dropped it all. People thought I was crazy. I went to USC Film School and did that. I was working for all these big directors. And I was like, I'm going to leave and see the world a little bit, see what else is out there. So I applied to be an ambassador to the U.S. and I had no political experience, but I had a lot of nonprofit work that I'd been doing, giving back to the community. I was a volunteer teacher. So they were like, that sounds great to us. You've done so much for your community. So I was appointed as an ambassador to the U.S. Went abroad for 2 years, launched a nonprofit program for kids, and did a lot of work, met with a lot of diplomats and heads of the state. Came back here and it was around the .com blowing up. You know, like there was like all these opportunities, MySpace, and I ended up getting recruited by MySpace. So I was the second person at MySpace, of course, one of the only few faces of color. It's hard to even think how many others there were of us. But I built MySpace from the ground up for MySpace Mobile. So I was sitting right next to Tom. You guys remember Tom?
Yeah.
I was in the office right next to him and built MySpace Mobile and was there.
And he was a USC guy too.
That's right,
Yes,
he
he was.
was. So was
There you
Mr.
go.
Wolf.
Yeah.
So it was kind of like, you know, I was there in MySpace's heyday, and then Facebook came, and we were like, we could make a comeback. We could be the first .com to make a comeback. Well, as you guys know, it didn't happen. So I left, and I went to join Match.com as a mobile, and we started working on a little pet project called Tinder. That was just being incubated. And so I ended up working on that project. I didn't leave Match because it was all the same company, but I love my team. But I ended up being the patent owner behind Tinder and Match.com for location-based dating. And a lot of people don't know that, you know, a black woman was behind that because I'm not really good at self-promotion. But now you all know.
Oh, now you're married.
Tell us your name again.
My name is Robinne Burell. I'm so sorry.
Okay.
My name is Robinne Burell.
I'm Vera.
Oh, so nice to meet you. So nice to meet you.
And Robin, if you could, because I know we don't have enough time to really go through your whole, you know, again, just journey. But what are you currently doing right now, especially the South African project?
So right now, my biggest client and partner is the Mandela family. So we have a little, we have a little office in Johannesburg where we work to support them in doing, exposing Nelson Mandela's hometown. He lives in Kunu. I'm saying it wrong, you have to put the little and before it, but I'm very close with this family to help the young people in town understand how to use technology to further and advance their careers or their dreams and pursuits.